A non-zero vector a bar is parallel to the line of intersection of the plane determined by the vectors I bar comma I bar plus j bar and the plane determined by the vectors I bar minus j bar comma I bar plus k bar. The angle between a bar and I bar minus 2j bar plus 2k bar. Here first a bar is given vector, this is a bar is not given, we should find a bar first of all, which is parallel to the line of intersection of the plane determined first two vectors and another plane determined another two vectors. That means here two planes are there. In these two planes are there. The first plane is determined by these two vectors. I am taking the first plane is pi 1. First plane is determined by the vector I bar and I bar plus j bar. This line represent normal of the first plane. So similarly next, this is the second plane which is determined by another two vectors. I am taking the second plane is pi 2. This vector I am taking I bar minus j bar. Another vector is I bar plus k bar. So this is the second plane pi 2 which is determined by these two vectors. The corresponding normal is n2 bar which is perpendicular to second plane. So first find n1 bar and n2 bar. Find out n1 bar. n1 bar is plane determined by these two vectors, that's why n1 bar is equals to I bar cross I bar plus j bar. This is now I bar cross I bar plus I bar cross j bar. I bar cross I bar will be 0 bar plus I bar cross j bar is k bar. Therefore the vector n1 bar equals to k bar. This is first normal for the first plane. Next I am taking n2 bar required. n2 bar is determined by these two vectors. So therefore n2 bar is perpendicular to the plane containing I bar minus j bar and I bar plus k bar. Therefore n2 bar, the normal n2 bar equals to I bar minus j bar cross I bar plus k bar. Now use this process I bar, j bar, k bar. Now coefficients 1, minus 1, there is no k bar here, 0. Next here second row I bar coefficient is 1, j bar coefficient is 0, here k bar coefficient is 1. Now expand it I bar into minus 1 minus 0 minus j bar into now 1 minus 0. Next plus k bar into this is 0 minus of minus plus 1. Now this will be n2 bar normal, second normal minus I bar minus j bar plus k bar. This is normal 2. Now here actually a bar required which is parallel to the line of intersection of the plane pi 1 and pi 2, where this line represent line of intersection of plane pi 1 and pi 2. So it represent what? According to n1 bar n2 bar we can write this vector, that is n1 bar cross n2 bar. For example, if it is these two parallel and these two parallel, if it is n2 bar, if this vector is for example n1 bar n2 bar, so this line is exactly perpendicular to both n1 bar and n2 bar. That's why it represent what? n1 bar cross n2 bar. This is the line of intersection of these two planes which represents the vector n1 bar cross n2 bar. Now A bar is parallel to this. For example, it is A bar. A bar is parallel to n1 bar cross n2 bar. So therefore, since A bar is parallel to line of intersection of plane pi 1 and pi 2. Therefore, that implies A bar is parallel to n1 bar cross n2 bar. That implies A bar equals to, we can write like lambda into n1 bar cross n2 bar. When two vectors are parallel, one of the vector equal to some scalar into other vector. So therefore A bar equals to this. Now find out n1 bar cross n2 bar. Lambda into, take determinant process again, I bar, j bar, k bar. Here n1 bar is just k bar, therefore 0, 0, 1. n2 bar, the vector n2 bar is minus I bar, minus j bar, plus k bar, therefore the coefficients are minus 1, plus 1. Now expand this, lambda into I bar into 0 minus of minus plus 1 minus j bar into 0 minus of minus again plus 1 plus k bar into 0 minus 0. Therefore, A bar equals to now lambda into I bar minus j bar. This is vector A bar. Now we should find out angle between A bar and, you have to find out angle between A bar and the another vector is, this is I bar minus 2j bar plus 2k bar. We got A bar now. Therefore, angle theta is angle between these two vectors. Now cos theta, we can write the formula. So therefore the vector, another vector cos theta equals to A bar dot I bar minus 2j bar plus 2k bar, I bar minus 2j bar plus 2k bar divided by mod A bar modulus of I bar minus 2j bar plus 2k bar. So here A bar value lambda into I bar minus j bar. So find out dot product cos theta equals to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. So lambda into I bar dot I bar, that is lambda. Next minus lambda j bar, minus into minus plus 2 lambda. Next no k bar here, this is 0 now. By divided by mod A bar means square root of lambda into square root of 1 square plus minus 1 square, this is root 2. Now next this one is square root of 1 plus 4 plus 1. Therefore here root 9, this is 3. Now here numerator lambda common, cos theta equals to 3 lambda by lambda into root 2 into root 9 is 3. Root 9 is 3. Therefore here 3 gets cancelled. 3 gets cancelled. Lambda cancel. Cos theta equals to 1 by root 2. This can be written as cos pi by 4. So angle theta is pi by 4. Angle between A bar and the given vector. That's all.